Hello there, Coles here and welcome back to Coles' Tech. I haven't uploaded for a while as I've been busy mainly with university work, but now that is coming to an end, I've had more time on my hands, so I finally decided that I would overclock my PC, including the GPU, CPU and RAM. So in this video I'm going to overclock the RAM. Alright, so you can check your RAM speed by opening Task Manager. Obviously that's Control-Alt-Delete and then click Task Manager. I already have it open. And then you just go across to Performance and click on Memory. And then right here it will tell you the clock speed of your RAM, which is pretty much 2100 megahertz, which is basically like the base clock speed on Windows. Like, it doesn't matter what speed your RAM says it is on the box. If you plug it in and turn your computer on, it will go to this speed if you don't change it manually. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alright, so to overclock your RAM, you want to go to your Aura Sync. So obviously you're going to need the Asus motherboard for this method. And you're also going to need the RGB RAM. Now, once you've opened that up, all you want to do is turn that on. There we go, and then it comes on. And you can set the RAM color to whatever you want. Generally, the static colors seem to work best when it's not changing color. So let's go for like a blue. There we go, let's apply that. Alright, so now the RAM is blue. And we can just open up the Task Manager again, and as you can see now the RAM is at 3600 megahertz, which is a lot faster than it was. It was 2133 megahertz before, so it's more than 1000 megahertz more, which is pretty good. Alright, so if you found that helpful, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Yeah, I'm just messing. Right, so to actually overclock, what we're actually going to do is restart the computer and go into the BIOS. So, let's go like that. Alright, so as this comes on, we're going to enter the BIOS by pressing F2 repeatedly. Hopefully it actually comes on this time. It didn't come on for a few times. Here we go. Sorry about the audio also. I didn't realise that you can't record the BIOS with an Elgato on a separate computer, but apparently you can't, so that's why I'm using this. So here we are in the BIOS, and I mean, all I did was, wait, what did I do? I changed that to 3600 from whatever it was. We may be able to go higher, so let's try like 3700. I don't know what like the maximum this RAM was, so that might work, it might not. And I also turned on the XMP thing. I don't know if you actually have to do that. I'll just quickly check. But it worked fine when I did that, so oh, okay, so if you want to change this to 3700. I guess we might as well turn it on. I don't know. It's not as if it matters. As you can see, I think that's the maximum that's on now. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright, save changes and reset, see if that works. I don't know if it will. Bit of fan noise from the computer. Alright, let's see if we manage to change it. This is going to be tricky. Clicking Control or Delete with one hand. There we go. And performance. Oh, there we go. We did get it to 3700. I don't know how high we can go. I guess we could try a bit higher, see if it works. Hopefully we don't break anything. Basically, I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing. So, if any of you have any tips, especially for the CPU overclocking, that would be much appreciated, because I've never done it before. Hey, who's that dickhead in the reflection? Recording with a GoPro. Let's actually stand it up so I don't have to hold it. Yes, come on. Mashing that F2 button. Key, whatever you want to call it. Let's cancel that. Oh, okay, I don't know. Let's bugger off. Alright, let's try 3800, and I'll probably leave it at that. So if that works, I'm happy. If it breaks, I'm not happy. Okay, 3800. I know you can like manually set the timings and stuff, but I'm a bit of a novice, as they say. And I'd probably fuck it up, so let's not do that today. Task manager, and there we go, 3800. Okay. Well, yeah, that's the simplest way of increasing your RAM speed. The max value of mine was 3600 on the packaging, but I got it to, well, it's on 3800 at the moment. Might be able to go higher, I don't know, I don't really know how these things work, so yeah, that's the end of the video pretty much. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.